Hello friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. This video is dedicated to the English speaking course in which I am going to present a short story, How I Got Admission in School. Hopefully, your speaking skills and listening comprehension will gradually be improved by listening such a story. So follow my channel to improve your English. Let's start. How I got admission in school. It was Monday. I was so delighted because that day I was going to enroll in school. I woke up on Monday morning, freshened up, brushed my teeth, then showered, and had breakfast. Then I left home for school with my father. The school was 3 kilometers away from home, so we had to go to school by taxi. We were waiting for taxi on the road near the house. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. We were in no rush. A cab came, we boarded it and left towards school. The cab's window was down. The cool fresh air of the morning was a distinct delight. The green fields on both sides of the road beautified the scenery. On the way, I talked to my father about the school. Since the taxi was not moving fast, we reached the school at 8:30 a.m. The main gate of the school was open. We entered the school. Like me, other students were coming to get admission in the school. The school was buzzing everywhere. Everyone was happy. All the students and their parents were calm. The school campus was huge. It was very beautiful. Its buildings were big. The classrooms were also big. All kinds of facilities were provided in the classrooms. There was no lack of any kind. Cleanliness was taken care of. There was a garden in front of every building. Various flowers were blooming in it. However, the beauty of the school was spectacular. The employees were very polite and courteous and helping new students. All the teachers were also well behaved. Their manners were distinguished by their morals. They were proactive in helping the students and their parents in the admission process. As it was told that the admission process will start at 9:30 a.m. So it was time for the admission process. The principal had also come. For each class, there was a separate team of teachers as interviewers for those getting admission in the school. First I took the admission form from the office, filled in the required information and submitted it to the office. The interviewers asked me some questions. I answered each question satisfactorily. Then the interviewers approved me to get admission for the respective class as I wanted to get admission in class 6. Later on, I went to the office with my father. There deposited the admission fee, tuition fee and other utility charges which totaled 15,000. After that I was given a bag, books and school uniform. Admission process was done. It was afternoon time, so we had lunch in a canteen inside. Lunch was very tasty in affordable price. On the way back from the canteen, there was a notice on the notice board near the office, which said that the class would start after a week. Students were requested to come on time and class timetable was also mentioned. Since I was done with all works, we returned home. So friends, finally I got admission in the school that I wanted, and the school was very famous and prominent amongst all in my city. This is how I got admitted in the school. In the next video I will tell you how was my first day at school. See you in the next video. Thanks.